Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are hale and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic Unit 8, Lesson 1 to 4. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit 8, Lesson 1 to 4. Students, this is our 9th lecture and 5th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 5th homework. Dear students, for today's class, take your textbook and writing elements. We'll practice from your textbook. So let's start. Unit 8, name, write to me soon. Students, here you can see a text and now I'm going to read the text. Seema is at home today. She didn't go to school because she is ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She also feels very warm because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Seema last night. She needs some medicine. He also told her what to do in order to get well soon. So from here we come to know about Seema, who is staying at home today because of her illness, and she has a cough and a sore throat, and she also feels warm because she has a fever, and this is happening because of the flu, and doctor had already visited Seema. So the doctor prescribed some medicine to her. He told her what to do in order to get well soon. Now we'll learn about the doctor's advice, what the doctor said to Seema. Here you can see the doctor's advice. Eat food that gives your body energy. Try to eat even if you aren't hungry. You need to be strong. Rest. Stay at home. Don't go to school or work. Drink a lot of water or juice. They are better than soft drinks. Are you coughing or sneezing? Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue, not your hand. Wash your hands regularly. Use your own plate, glass, and cup. Other people can catch your illness from these things. So these are the doctor's advice. So first one was eat food that gives your body energy. Try to eat even if you aren't hungry. You need to be strong. So when someone is in fever or any disease, so he or she must have to take food that his or her body needs, and he or she can eat though the person isn't hungry. So the doctor said to Seema to take food as she wasn't hungry. Rest, stay at home, don't go to school or work. So in this condition, doctor prescribed her to take rest and to stay home. He said to her not to go to school or any work. And number 3, drink a lot of water or juice. So in the condition of fever, one can take a lot of water or juice. That means liquid substances. They are better than soft drinks. So drinking water or juice can be better than soft drinks. Soft drinks are unhealthy. And are you coughing or sneezing? The doctor asked her. Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue, not your hand. And if she faces coughing or sneezing, she must have to cover her mouth and nose, and she must have to use a tissue. It is better not to use her hand. And this advice for everyone who is suffering from this condition. Next, wash your hands regularly. So she must have to wash her hands regularly, and we also have to maintain such things to be healthy. Use your own plate, glass, and cup. Other people can catch your illness from these things. So when she is going through these stages, she must have to use a different plate or separate plate, glass and cup. That means different utensils for her. One can get affected by her. So students, if you feel such things like Seema, you can also follow such rules and regulations to become healthy, to cure as soon as possible. I hope you will apply all this in your real life. Students, that's for our passage. Now we'll do some true false from your text. So come to page number 31, Unit 8, Lesson 3 to 4. The question is, read again, write T for true or A for false. Here, number 1, Seema didn't go to school because she wanted to stay at home. Students, is it true or false? Can you guess? Here, the statement says, Seema didn't go to school because she wanted to stay at home. This is false. Look here, we find Seema is at home today. She didn't go to school because she is ill. So she didn't go to school because of her illness. So this is false. Here the statement says she wants to stay home and that's why she didn't go to school. So this is totally false and that's why we have to write if, as it is a false statement. Now number 2. Seema feels fine but she has a sore throat. Seema feels fine. Is it true or false? Yes, this is false because Seema is ill and she has a sore throat. So that's why it will be false. Seema feels fine but she has a sore throat. This is false statement. Number 3, Seema is warm because she has a fever. So come to the passage. She also feels very warm because she has a fever. So if we go through this line from this text, we find that this statement is true. Seema is warm because she has a fever. So we have to write here T as it is true statement. Number 4, Seema should eat even if she doesn't feel hungry. So is it true or false? So come to the doctor's advice. Here we find in first advice, eat food that gives your body energy. Try to eat even if you aren't hungry. Mark here, try to eat even if you aren't hungry. So the statement is true. Seema should eat even she doesn't feel hungry. So we have to write T here. Number 5, Seema should try to go to school. Students, can you guess which one will be correct answer? True or false? So look here, rest, stay at home, don't go to school or work. So we find the answer from here. This will be false. So Seema can't go to school or any workplace. So it will be false and that's why we have to write if. Number 6, Seema and her brother should use the same cup and glass. I hope you can guess the correct answer, students. Look in last advice. Use your own plate, glass and cup. Other people can catch your illness from these things. Other people's means Seema's brother, father, mother, family members. So she must have to use separate cup and glasses. So Seema and her brother should use the same cup and glass. It is false statement and that's why we have to write if. Students, I hope you can understand. Now I am providing your homework. Your homework will be true false that we have done now. It will be your homework. Write this true false in your homework copy. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 9 and homework number is 5. Students, do your homework and you have to submit your homework copies on every Saturday at school. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your copies. You'll get returned your copies on next Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.